Hi folks, welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to discuss or to teach how to remove auto payment method in any application or any kind of method that you have, or in my case I have Gcash auto payment, and I wonder how to remove it because it's a little bit, and every month deducting to my Gcash. And if you have also if you have connected to your bank account, you can do it too. You can remove that too as well. And before we are going to start more further, let's watch our intro first. Welcome back folks. As what I mentioned earlier, in my case I have Gcash problem that automatically deduct to my Gcash account. So this is the step that you are going to do, guys. So follow the step so you can remove for you or to your phone as well, or any kind of platform that you are using. So let's start, guys. So here we go, guys. First you need to do is go to your Play Store and tap your profile here and go to payment and subscriptions. After that one, guys, you can do payment method. After you do payment method, guys, you can go farther here, scroll up, and then more payment settings, and then wait a little bit time to reload it. And you can see over there my bank account. You can see remove if you want to remove it. And here we go, guys. My Gcash is linked, so let's remove this one, guys. So easy peasy, right? And that's it. And I need to do I need to put my card, guys, card number, because I have already card of my Gcash. So in your case, guys, do it too. So that's all, guys, and I thank you. So that's it, guys. So easy peasy, guys, right? It is what it is. So that's all, guys, and I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope this video can help you as well. So that's all, guys. More power and God bless.